Gentlemen, speaking as it were of old pennies and broken records, my name is James Tracy. I'm Land Use Counsel for Federal Materials. Initially, I want to just briefly put into the record on behalf of many of the people who attended last week's budget hearings our appreciation and recognition of the professionalism of the county administrator, Mr. Morley, in terms of his product and his analysis and work with the department heads in the county. Very, very good job. That having been said, I read the Port Townsend newspaper this morning over my breakfast and about the Water 17 meeting last week. Became seriously concerned, Commissioner Sullivan in particular, that you do not properly understand the scope and duties of your office. If this quotation in the paper is correct, you are saying that you think it's a good idea for the Department of Ecology to change a rule that was prohibited by law because you can't get things through the legislature. Now that kind of talk to your prosecutor about it if I'm not being clear, but the point is, Ecology has been saying for years that they would not allow rain barrel allocation because it violated the water resource statute of the state of Washington. Now, I understand that water law is a complex area not for the faint of heart to enter into. But you and you other commissioners need to be very careful that you do not endorse conduct by the Department of Ecology which is beyond the scope of their authority. The Kim decision, among others, specifically states that state agencies do not have the authority to change the statute by rule. And oh, by the way, the Kim decision also contains a footnote where the court kindly spelled out the multitude of examples in the last 12, 15 years, I forget off the top of my head exactly how long, of the number of attempts the Department of Ecology has made to change water statutes and been rebuffed by the legislature. I adopt the comments of Mr. Schultz with regard to the shoddy way the Department of Ecology is trying to impress a rule on Jefferson County without a water budget, without any evidence of the impairment of senior water rights, without quantification of the senior rights claimed by the tribes. They're playing the same decades-old game they've been playing, which is telling different people different things in different counties and attempting to have their will with the statute by rule. That is expressly prohibited by law. You took the same oath I did to uphold the Constitution and the laws of the state of Washington. So the question you have to ask yourself is that when you engage in this kind of conduct, willfully or not, I mean, that's certainly up to questions. You might not have known what you were doing. But it is ultra vires conduct. It's outside of the scope of your authority, and you can become personally liable for it. You need to talk this matter over with your own prosecutor. I've got a red light. Thank you.